Okay. Hello guys, and good morning. This time it's actually 8 o'clock and I'm awake. That will kind of say it's first time for me, but I'm still late. And there's my bud. I'm going out today, playing some airsoft with some of my friends. And this is gonna be a fun day. I'm gonna vlog a bit from this day, and it's gonna be awesome. Yeah. Jeg filmer faktisk naturen. Så du vlogger litt? Jeg vlogger litt. Well, this is my friend, Axel. Hi guys. He's my teammate, and we are going to shoot out some people. And yeah, my friends are leaving. I'm saying bye. Party in the house. Well, that was my day today. A bit of airsofting and everything. He's driving a lot. But yeah, a bit of airsofting today. Running around in the forest, in the cold. And it started snowing today. Way! And yeah, if you like this, press a like. You want to subscribe to me. That would be so awesome. So I see you tomorrow, and have a nice night.